Hello, my name is Steve Tomeno. I'm an applications engineer at OptiPro Systems. I've been here for 8.5 years. I first started in the machine shop, worked there for 5 years where I made parts and anything that they needed to be done. I then transferred over to applications and have been doing that for roughly 3 years. How I originally got exposed to this trade was I would go home after school and I would watch American choppers and how it's made, and watching those guys create either bikes or all the processes in manufacturing were just really cool to me. I then had the opportunity to join the first robotics team at Eastridge High School, which I did that for 4 years, 2 years in electrical, then 2 years in the machine tool room. It was great exposure for me because we didn't have that particular trade in our high school at the time, which now we do. Going through that, I actually learned how to make parts, and I was good at it. So it was really exciting for me to find my niche in the world. So any advice people trying to get into the trade or people that are already in the trade is expose yourself to as much as possible. Knowledge is truly power. When you can see how things are done, maybe it doesn't directly impact how you're working on your part now, but maybe down the road it'll help. You can never have too many tricks in your bag to pull out in order to make a part. So that's the first bit of advice. The second one is be a sponge. Learn as much and as much as possible from the people around you. Again, it might not be something that you use on that day, but 10 months, a year, 2 years, if you can pull that out of your head and be able to use it, your job is going to be that much easier and honestly more fun.